Alright guys, so development today, pretty windy out here, and we got some problems with the building. So check it out, it's really moving these purlin. The outside wall purlin looks all good, right?
Yeah.
That stuff's solid over there too.
Yeah, it's because these are kind of a weird, different.
Maybe the gauge metal is thinner? Or?
No, different bracketry.
Different brackets.
I think that's what it is. Alright, jump up there, Blake.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So what we're going to try to do to remedy it is boards, and if we have to, we'll ratchet strap all the purlin to each other so they stop vibrating in the wind.
Come on, unravel these. You have to check every bulb. Whoops, got a little knot here. You work on that. I'll get the other box.
Okay.
Yeah, it is. Way out. Probably gonna cut through the strap though. Yeah, if it's tight enough, it probably would keep it from moving. We got something we can put there? Pull each one individually.
You know what you think? I wouldn't hook up to that one because you're going to pull that one up and your board ain't going to be tight.
Yeah. Whatever you do, just do it.
I think it's just to eliminate vibration.
I think that's fine. Yeah, it's better than as long as they're not doing this yet. Yeah, that one's doing it too. Let's go put one in there. That'll be
Texas.
The next day.
We have a windmill at the back of the property that looks like it either broke something inside the mill or a polish rod or something, and there's no resistance on it, so it's just freewheeling back there. Doesn't look like the brake is engaging right, so we're gonna head back there. I got some straps, and I'm gonna hop in this all-terrain scissor lift we got, head back there, probably tie off the fan, see if we can get the brake engaged, and kind of assess the damage to our windmill. That's the max speed this thing goes at. move that. I mean, it might. That's why nobody's standing under it.
Wow. It's, yeah, the mass pipe. More new Elgin. Alright, get some straps. I need to go up. Oh. Looks like
out right now.
Looks like the mass pipe's broken. Okay, so we need to tie the tail to the wheel. Need to go up. I'll just...
Stop leaking out so much oil.
Yeah, it's just when I turned
Yeah, there's
it.
a.
Put it at a different angle.
What's that ball thing on there for?
It's just like a weight.
Oh, it's a counterweight kind of thing.
Yeah, that helps the tail.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's pretty jacked up.
Yeah, yeah, all of a sudden.
So those blades are supposed to be that length, and most of them are all broke off.
Yep, exactly.
Wow.
Just over the last couple of days, that wind last night.
So yeah, there's some of the metal on the ground down there. So what does it look like happened, John?
I mean,
Looks
it
like
looks like the mass
something-
pipe or something bent because the whole wheel is, you know, the weight of it's tilting it into the tower. That's what happened.
Gotcha.
It's tilted into the, you can see the whole motor is sitting at an angle. So we'll probably, here the next sometime, we'll bring our telehandler down here and
Pull her up. Pull her off.
Honestly, I don't even think the telehandler.
Do we even need that?
I mean, we could
How heavy is that?
we could get up next to it on this thing, and with the windmill face, and like strap it to the side and pick up, because this thing don't weigh but maybe 500 pounds. What does this thing pick up? 2,200.
Yeah.
So
I think that's 500 pounds.
yeah, 400 or 500
Cast
pounds.
iron.
Cast iron. All right, what you got?
Some terrible options.
Can't believe y'all got up on these things without a piece of equipment like this.
Yes, we do.
Y'all have to climb the tower, and there's not even stairs.
No, halftime there weren't. 100% sketch.
Getting that hazard pay.
No, 7, 8, 5, 25 an hour, whatever damn minimum wage was back then.
Hmm.
No hazard pay.
Even 4 or something for a while there. Wasn't it?
Way too far up here to be on something stable and secure.
Yep.
Yeah, this is probably gonna get broken through. I can almost guarantee it. Let's try to do it to where there's not. See this? See the blade, the tails coming in. Watch the brake.
That's the brake right there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like an old shoe brake that's
Watch
on
it as I let out on the wheel. See? We adjust it. See, that's where it really needs to be. Honestly, I'd probably do it. The amount of brake actuation we just got.
Yeah.
Closing the tail. Down real quick.
What do you think? Is it salvageable?
I mean,
No.
Put 3 on there for good
it'd be
measure.
salvageable. We'll have to get a whole new wheel.
Yeah, and who knows what else is wrong with it?
Who knows how we're going to keep this stuff.
Yeah.
Better probably just to sell the parts. It's not going anywhere.
Hopefully.
Well, if it does, the whole motor and everything's gonna pop off there.
Might save us some work.
Yeah, I mean,
The gearbox.
yeah. There's the dog. I wonder.
Noodles on the guard cat. Just the Nug was over here. She probably just went home.
See right there, it looks like it's almost more straight. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that mash pipe just somehow it got big.
You can kind of see it too.
8-foot New Elgin right there. Lubbock, Texas.
It's gonna be fun.
There's probably nothing holding that thing on. Surprised that wasn't blown off.
Pull this back in, Blake.
That's sketchy.
Yeah, dude, it'll blow off. It'll probably save us some time.
Only pull on that side. Yeah, it's probably not a bad thing.
Oh, it's attached to that mash pipe, but it looks like it's broken. No,
Just the force of gravity and mass.
I mean, it really takes them a lot to be able to actually come down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool. Well, that's it, I guess, for the windmill.
it's dead.
Final thoughts? Yeah, dead, huh?
Alright, well, I'm gonna go in the buggy, get out from under it. Yeah.
Well, I'm recording.
Everything
Regardless.
is fine. Final
Cool.
destination.
All right, so John's expert opinion on our old windmill back at the back of the property is it's shot, seen its last days. Not gonna be able to use it for any other water pumping needs that we have around here. So we've already been talking about this for a while, and we have the new mills that we want for the 3 water wells we have on property picked out. We're gonna go with a company called Aero Motor, kind of a local company not too far from us. We have this well here. We have another well on the other side of the old farmhouse here, and then the one at the back of the property that y'all just saw us repair. None of them are currently operational. The one at the back of the property back there, we just kind of tied off. We used to pump some water into a little trough back there for wild animals. We have a lot of fox, we have a lot of skunk, armadillos, deer, that kind of stuff on the property. And we always like to, you know, keep a water source for them. But now that that water well is broken, and none of the 3 wells we have on the property are running, it's time to start kind of figuring out water wells. So it still might be a little while. We're gonna try to find wood towers for the ones here at the house, and just a good galvanized tower back there. Gonna have to probably pull all the wells and redo all the pumps and stuff. Thankfully, we do have that 4-wheel drive scissor lift. I think that's gonna make a pretty good water well pulling unit so that we don't have to hire out and, you know, pay extra money for that kind of stuff. There's no point hiring out when we have the equipment to do it ourselves. So I guess that's gonna do it for this kind of impromptu video here at Coyote Ranch. I've been wanting to do more videos kind of like this, you know, not major work on the shop over here. We've been working on it every day, but that's not for this video. We'll put out that video soon. If you like the content, you know, hit the subscribe button. Watch us do cool stuff here to the property. So with that, that's gonna do it here. My name is Barrett here at Coyote Ranch. We'll talk to y'all next time.